With Dupont-sur-Douve liberated, an Allied path into France is secured, and Operation Overlord marches on against the Nazis. It's time to put an end to Operation Kraken. Marie's reconnaissance reveals a heavily defended weapons research facility. Her intel shows a lake, and Nazi scientists testing something. Something big. Evidence points to Operation Kraken being coordinated from a war room deep inside the central facility. The perimeter will be tough to breach, but I need to find a way in. Time to find out what Operation Kraken is really all about.
Come on, Monsieur Shadow. We are so close now. Destroy this base and Operation Kraken is finished.
Simple enough.
You can do this.
Easy for you to say.
Remember our rendezvous.
See you on the other side, Chevalier!
Whatever's left of Kraken, it's here. Time to end this.
Doktor Jungers, wie ich den hasse. Der ist doch nicht mal ein Doktor, der Leute heilt.
No. They'll find me if I stay here. Got all the info Command need now. Should look into this weapons lab. See what else they're working on. Checkpoint by the weapons lab. Marie mentioned this. The way she infiltrated the base must be around here somewhere. Gap in the fence. Nice work, Chevalier. That's my way in.
Something new here that I need to take care of before I go. Adding this to the list of things I need to take care of here.
Us. Oh!
Advanced anti-tank weaponry. Weapons lab must be working on ways to push us back into the ocean. Command will want to see this. Well, no point leaving it intact. Time to relocate. I better move.
Wie bitte?
Look. Okay, time to go.
In Deckung!
Beachten Sie die ausgewiesenen Sicherheitswarnungen, da Sie der Gesundheit anderer dienen. Halten Sie sich bitte unbedingt an die Vorgaben.
Kraken was never launching from here. This whole base was just a test site. Saint-Nazaire. That's where the Operation Kraken fleet is. Stealth U-boats, all carrying V2s, targeting New York and Washington. I've got to stop this.
Klemmt, melden Sie
I'm
sich.
afraid Herr Klempt isn't available right now. Can I take a message?
Who is that? Who is that speaking?
Wouldn't you like to know?
The shadow. You must be Mr. Fairburne, the famous desert ghost.
And you are Abelard Moeller, evil Nazi butcher.
You are not the only one with friends in the Resistance. You are a dead man. Do you hear me? A dead man.
Keep telling yourself that, Herr Moeller. Because when I'm done here, I'm coming for Operation Kraken. And for you. It's time to move. Those aren't my orders.
Beaufsichtigt Jungers die Starts in der Nähe der Fertigung?
Looks like the system's automated. Should make sure the capsule will misfire first before I touch anything. Better move.
Operation Kraken Research Facility and V2 missiles neutralized. But the full threat of Operation Kraken is now clear. Hitler has set his sights on America. They are preparing to mobilize from Saint-Nazaire, all countermeasures authorized.